線、JR 宝塚線、大阪東線、阪急線、阪神線、地下鉄線はお乗り換えです。大阪を出ますと各駅に停まります。Attention, we will soon be making a brief stop at Osaka. Station number 11. Passengers transferring to the JR Kyoto, JR Kobe, JR Takarazuka, Osaka Higashi, Hankyu, Kanshin, and Subway. Please change trains at Osaka. After leaving Osaka, we will be stopping at every station. Thank you.